Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to write a Python program to add two numbers with user input. So given two numbers from the user, so you have to add the two numbers and get the result and print on the console. So that is a problem statement. So let's take two variables and ask a user to enter two numbers and then calculate the result and then finally print it. So yeah, so let's take the number that is a variable. Let's take first equals to, let me ask a user to enter the first number using input function call. So yeah, so let's say enter first number. This is capital. Yeah, so once the user enters the first number, so it will be of string format, so we need to convert this to integer. So let's use a type conversion over here. And once the user enters, so it will be converted to integer and it will be stored in first, that is the variable. Now let's take another variable, that is second equals to, so let me use input function again, and here let's ask a user to enter second number. Yeah, again we have to convert these to an integer, so let's use a type conversion to int, so it will be stored in the, that is the variable second. So now let's take another variable, that is result, and let's add the two numbers, that is first and second. First plus second will give us the result, that is the addition of two numbers. So let's print this, that is a result variable. So let's say addition of two numbers is, let's give colon, and here let's print the result. Yeah, so this is a complete program to add two numbers with the user input and print the result. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the first number, so let's take 23. Enter the second number, let's take 45. So you can see addition of two numbers is 68. Now again let's execute this. Enter the first number, so let's take 12, and let's take 19 as a second number. So you can see addition of two numbers is 31. Here we can also change the integer to float or a complex type. So if you need a number is of type float, so you can use the float type conversion, or the number is a complex number, so you can also change this from integer to the complex. So for the reference purpose or the demo purpose, so I have taken this as a integer, else you can also use float or complex numbers. So yeah, so that's it in this video. I'll give this code in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.